What? Mel is doing a Chanel unboxing? Okay, guys, let me explain. I did not expect to buy this bag. Hi, my loves. Welcome back. So today is something pretty rare. Mel's doing a Chanel unboxing from the boutique, but there is a story to it, and it is also a rare bag. So in today's video, I am going to be showing you my new Chanel bag. I'm going to be showing you some fine jewelry pieces, and stay tuned to the end of the video because I honestly need your help. I cannot decide what to get for our 300K, and I need you guys to vote because I'm thinking of giving away either one major prize, or would you prefer 3 designer bags? So stay tuned for that. So let me show you what I'm wearing. I don't know if I've actually shown you this before, but this is a Chanel jacket that I actually bought from Paris, I think about 4 years ago, from a vintage store. So I thought that kind of went with the theme. This beautiful silk cami, you know, I love silk. It's from Lily Silk. I'll link it below. And then, you know how in my 2022 wish list, I've been saying I am going to buy more jewelry this year. So I have been buying a couple of pieces, and I've got some new pieces to show you quickly before my Chanel reveal. But on my hands, I've got like a statement ring and this beautiful fine pave X ring, and they are from MEJURI. So I do need to thank MEJURI for sponsoring part of this video. I'm really excited to work with them. I'm so glad because you guys are into jewelry. I'm into jewelry. I want to buy more jewelry. So how perfect is that? What I love about MEJURI is the whole ethos is find jewelry for every day. So they've got like a mix of materials. So for things that are, you know, I'm a big believer in vermeil. So this piece here, which is their croissant dome ring, one of their best sellers is in vermeil. And so vermeil, quickly, I've explained this before, is basically it's got a sterling silver base and it's coated in a very thick layer of gold, 2.5 microns to be exact. But gold vermeil is still considered fine jewelry or semi-fine jewelry. So this ring here, it's so affordable, and especially for a statement ring like that, like how good does that look? Now this pave X ring is so dainty, but it's just got that little row of tiny little diamonds, and it's in 14 karat gold. So when anything's in 14 karat gold, you can wear it every day. You don't need to take it off. And on my ears, I have got these Harris two-tone convertible link earrings. One thing that I find really hard to find is like a mix of silver and gold, and I always love to mix my metal. Like if you look at in my wedding ring set, you know, it's in platinum. And so I'm always mixing metals. And how perfect was this? I saw this and I love the fact that it's two-tone, and I love the fact that you can wear it 2 ways. So you can actually take this off and just wear it single, or you can just wear it long like this. I love a dangly earring. So that is what that looks like on me. Another one I wanted to mention, I've already worn this. I wore it in a past video. So I just quickly wanted to show you these hoop earrings. You guys know I'm a huge fan of hoops. I've got lots of different sizes, but nothing that sort of has this sort of detail. It's just gorgeous because it's bold. This is also in gold vermeil, so very accessible price point. But you know, on their site, they have like a really good mix of different materials, whether you want to invest in 14 karat gold or you want, you know, more statement pieces like this. And then MEJURI were really kind enough to send me a couple of pieces. Okay, so first up in this cotton dust bag. Now I've been looking for a ring. Yes, it's another ring. Besides earrings, I'm really into rings. And in here, so it comes with a little dust bag, which is so cute. And I got this. It's officially called the metallic sphere ring. It's in sterling silver, but look how perfect it goes just with my wedding band stack, and it's in sterling silver, but it just looks really nice on my index finger. And you know, this sort of sphere, you know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of Van Cleef & Arpels sort of Perlé range, but this is so inexpensive. Their prices are really fair. What I love about them is not only is the quality really good, but a lot of their gold is recycled. They've got a commitment by the end of this year to have 70% of their range recycled, and it's ethically sourced. And then secondly, in this one here, I love this piece because it is so versatile. So it comes like this, and this is their wishbone stacker set. Again, another one of their best sellers, and I totally understand why. It's just amazing because there are so many different ways you can wear it. For example, let me just take this sphere ring off. So this you can actually wear with the points upwards, and because their 14 karat gold is so subtle, sort of looks like a champagne gold, it still matches really well with, you know, my wedding ring set. But you know what? The whole thing is I want more fine jewelry pieces that also ties in with my high-end designer jewelry pieces like from Cartier or Hermes. So what I would do is I would wear this on my index, and then I have got my ring from Cartier, Justin Clou. I know a lot of you guys own this. It would also work with the love ring. You can actually wear this the other way as well. So how good is that? You can wear it the point upwards like a crown, or have the point downwards like that. Or you can just separate it and wear it as 3 rings. This wishbone stacker I absolutely love. If you love stacking, I think you will really love this piece because it is just so versatile. And then my final one I want to show you is this. So this one here is actually a medium-sized beaded hoops in 14 karat gold. So these ones here you don't have to take off. So as you can see from my close-up, it's just the perfect everyday earring for those of you that want something not too big but not too small, and it is just beautiful. Again, the beaded reminds me of the Perlé range. That's why I was really attracted to it, but at such a good price point for fine jewelry, like solid 14 karat gold. And you know what? Sunshine really wanted a signet ring, and he loves this one. I'll show you a pic of him wearing it here. This is in titanium, another one of their best sellers, and it's just a perfect gift to get your partner or a special someone. I love that they've got some men's, they've got women's. They also have 10% off if you're a first-time customer. So I'll leave that down below. I'm loving all these rings. I'm going to be stacking them and combine them with my high-end designer jewelry pieces. Okay, so let's get to the Chanel unboxing. I've decided to wear this ring because I just like how it looks. But anyway, it is in this box here. It is from the boutique. It's super rare. I thought I missed out. You know my whole story on I don't shop at Chanel boutiques in Australia. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it above. I tell you why. And this came about because a very kind friend from Instagram, after seeing my entire Chanel classic collection, I will link that if you haven't seen that, she was like, Mel, you are missing this from your collection. And I'm like, you know what? I wanted to get it. I didn't want to go to the boutique and get it because of not great customer service. But she said, I can possibly get one for you. Would you be interested? And I'm like, hell yes. So let me just unbox it. I'm talking too much. This is like the hottest bag. It is so hard to get. You know how Chanel recently on, I think June 7th, Chanel has this new policy where you can only buy 2 classic flaps a year. And that's going to be a worldwide policy. I don't think every country has it at the moment, but it's going to be that way. So that has upset a lot of people. It's like, now you go play the Hermes game, but now you go play the Chanel game. But anyway, that aside, I have actually opened it already. But let me show you what's in here. So in this bag is, dun, dun, dun. Yes, guys, this is the very much coveted caramel classic flap bag. And I so wanted it in the small, and that is exactly what I got. Now, for those of you that didn't know, they first released a caramel in 2021. I think it was the 21p collection. And you saw unboxings everywhere on YouTube, Instagram, and I so wanted it. And I knew I just wasn't going to get it, and I didn't want to buy it from a personal shopper or reseller because the prices were exorbitant. So I thought, I've missed out. So what they've done is that they have repeated again, but the caramel is not exactly the same. So this is actually from 22S. So this is the 22S caramel. And I actually love this one a little bit more than the 21P. This one here, the 22S, it has more of a brown undertone. So when I was chatting to my friend, she was like, I've compared them and this is like much more of a true caramel to me. So you know who you are, babe. Thank you so, so much for getting this from the boutique from me. Not only did I want this, but it saved me money as well, because in the US, this retails for 8,200 plus tax, but in Australian dollars is almost 13,000 Australian dollars. I know, right? So it's actually cheaper to buy in the US too. It's not a huge saving because I still obviously had to pay for shipping, but I still saved compared to the Australian retail price. Not that I could have even bought it from the boutique anyway. So let me take all the dust covers off and everything like that. So it does come with all, the protective dust covers, which is great for storage. And this version here is made in France. She had wrapped all of this up already. I just took them all off. And as you know, from a couple of years ago, Chanel stopped doing the authenticity card. So that's why inside, it's gonna be a bit hard to see. It's got the microchip. So I just love it. This is in perfect condition. She really examined it because, Chanel's been having quality issues as well. So this is just perfect. The quilts are perfect. The color's perfect. The hardware is a beautiful champagne gold, which just goes so well with this caramel shade. Let me give you a 360 of my new beauty. So the back with the pocket, side, and then front. Now I really wanted this in lambskin as well. The small is my favorite size. You guys know I have quite a lot of Chanel classic flaps and I just love them. You can't go wrong. But it's not like I was looking to buy it. It was purely unexpected. It's because she had contacted me and asked me, and luckily she was able to get it. So guys, what do you think of my new bag? I love it. I just think it is such a beautiful neutral. Let's just peel the sticker off together because this is so satisfying. There we go. Look at that gleaming gold. Now, I just quickly wanted to let you know which inserts I use for all my Chanel Classic flaps, and those are the ones from 7RP. And I just love them. I mean, look at all this metalace detail. It takes ages. By an artisan, they only can make like 3 or 4 of these a day. I use 7RP for all my Hermes. But you know what? With Chanel being as expensive as an Hermes B&K, you need to protect your investments. So 7RP have actually come out with new colors. I've actually only got the black because, this was the one, my caviar vintage version was the one hubby got for me ages ago. So I need to get a new one, but they've come out with some beautiful neutral colors that I absolutely love in pinks and neutrals. But yeah, I highly recommend that. I do have a discount code, which is the highest and exclusive to me, which is just MIM40 or MIM85 to get 85 euros off too. I'll leave everything down below. Oh, the sun's come out. So it's just a perfect fit. So I'll just put it in the bag to show you. And it's just important for such an expensive bag to protect your investment. And as you can see, it's just like a perfect fit with all pockets. And you know that your baby is protected. And so you really can see the difference between gold just quickly. And this is when Chanel used to do, okay, there's Chino. Hi, Chino. Okay, he obviously loves the chain. The difference between this 24 carat and the champagne gold. All right, that's just a quick little comparison for you. Chino, say bye. For those of you, I'm not going to be doing like a what fits inside or anything, but I have done an in-depth comparison between the small, medium, and minis. So I'll link that above. Everything's the same there except for the prices. But back then, my favorite was the medium. Medium and small is very similar, but of recent years, the small is my favorite. And you probably can see behind me, I do have my mint green one that my darling husband got for me last year. And that one is in caviar, but this one is in caramel. So I cannot wait to use this beautiful bag. I'm just feel very lucky to get it. Will I be buying any more Chanel bags from the boutiques? Look, I never say never, but no plans. Well, at least in Australia. If I go overseas, maybe. Look, Chanel service, even though I've said it's can be questionable in Australia, I've had some great experiences. So it's not like I don't love Chanel bags, you know? So that is my new baby. Okay, so now let's talk about celebrating our 300K. Thank you again for everyone that keeps wishing me congrats. I can't believe we hit 300K. It's been a while, guys. It's actually, I hit it it took me 6 years and a month. So, you know, I'm still so grateful to hit 300K. Okay, so what I'm thinking, and I just can't decide, and I want to get things that you want. So it's a big celebration. So I was thinking, would you prefer one major prize? What I was thinking was the newest Alma BB. I'll put a picture up here. And it's in this new pale pink color. And it's got the new Louis Vuitton sort of canvasy strap, which I love. It sort of looks like a pale pink, light purple sort of color. So that as one major prize. There's other colors as well, but honestly, I think the pink is the nicest. Plus the Alma BB, I'm a huge fan of the Alma BB. I think it is a classic LV shape. So that's what I'm thinking for the major prize. Or 3 prizes like, let me show you an example. I was thinking the first prize, this is mine. This is the one I bought for Miss S. Is not being used. I bought it maybe about a year ago. But the ever popular pochette accessoire. You know, this was my very first designer bag. That's why I love this. But yeah, this as first prize. It is all sold out. So I'm thinking if worst comes to worst, I'm pretty sure I can get one. But if worst comes to worst, I'm happy for the first prize winner to get mine, and then I can always repurchase it. So that is first prize. Second prize being another one of my favorites. You know, the YSL monogram clutch envelope in either black or the new caramel color or white. What do you guys prefer? And then I'm thinking for the third prize, it'll be a bit of a surprise. You know, I love vintage. So I'm thinking of doing a little bit of hunting and buying you guys a surprise vintage bag, maybe from Fendi, maybe from Gucci, maybe, I don't know. We'll see what it will be, but maybe something unisex. I'm not sure, but I need to hunt around for it. So what do you prefer? One big Alma BB worth like nearly 3,500, or 1, 2, and a vintage bag sort of worth $3,500 Australian as well. Please comment below and let me know, because I need to inquire about all these so I can purchase everything for you. So guys, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, seeing my new Chanel bag, my beautiful new fine jewelry pieces. Everything is linked below. So thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Follow me on Instagram if you haven't. And I will catch you really soon in my next video. Bye guys.